Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both devices. Install AirDroid or TeamViewer Quick Support on the Android and Companion app on your iPhone. Sign into the same account on both so the devices recognize each other, and on Android grant device admin and storage permissions so settings can be changed. Make sure both phones are on the same Wi-Fi network for a stable remote session. Once done, you're ready to initiate a secure connection from the iPhone to the Android and begin the remote control flow. Now enable remote control on the Android. Open the Companion app and follow prompts to enable accessibility and screen capture permissions. These allow full interaction. Grant overlay and draw on top right so touch events transmit correctly. If you plan deeper changes, system settings, developer options, enable USB debugging in Android settings about tap build number 7 times, then developer options USB debugging. Once these are established, initiate the remote session from the iPhone, and you'll see the Android screen ready for direct interaction. With the Android screen on your iPhone, navigate to settings and make the changes you need. Toggle Wi-Fi, adjust notifications, modify permissions, just as if you held the device. Apply each change and confirm any system prompts, then test the feature to verify. When finished, sign out of the remote session and revoke temporary permissions if required. If something goes wrong, first check that both apps are updated, the same account is used, permissions are granted, and both devices share the same network. Restart apps or devices as
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.